For our next example, let's take a look at how we can use some external data, in this case some data from an image that we may have downloaded, and use it to affect our Revit adaptive panels. So again, to get our structure to respond to some external data, in this case an image. What we're going to do is basically start by selecting the surface and panelizing it, and then getting some image file data, sampling that data. Then we're going to do a little bit of computation. We're going to basically map the sampled colors to the surface panels and then think about some different variations for flipping, reversing, just kind of changing the image a little bit. Offer some options so people can choose what variation they'd like. And then finally, just go and override the panel display colors in the shaded views kind of with that image data. Okay, we could also go through and adjust some panel parameters based on the values of those colors, the hue or the brightness values. So let's go ahead and kind of just sort of see what that image might look like. In this case, I have a surface where we have panelized on a picture of, a minion. And that is not only kind of showing some color information here. Let me go ahead and orbit that around a little bit so you can see it better. You'll see we've also adjusted the size of the different panels. We've set their height parameter based on, in this case, it looks like it's the hue parameter as opposed to the brightness, something like that. Okay, so we're going to look at how we can go through and create a similar example. So let's go ahead and get started.